Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter, JC Business Machines. We're going to look at this Coronamatic and the difference in the ribbon quality. I'll pull the lid off here, and we're going to put in an old black nylon. This is, I don't know, I think it's 20 years old. This ribbon came with a machine I bought, and it's actually still printing pretty good. So let's print out here this ribbon here. So let's do this one. This is the old nylon. So old, long, not sure how old it is, but we're going to run some X's here. All the way across. Pretty consistent. Just a little more focused. Pretty consistent there. Not as dark as I'd like, but okay. So that's old nylon. Now we have a black film cartridge. This is definitely 20 years old because they haven't made them for 20 years. Black film. And it's about half full. This cartridge just runs out when it runs out. So this is old film, and see how it prints nice and sharp. It's sharper. It's a carbon ribbon. So, and let's run some X's. Nice, pretty even. Okay. Oops. Oopsie doops. Okay. So now we've got the brand new cartridges right out of the box here. And this is the third one I've opened in one day to test these. And these have nylon on the side here. They don't have the label up here like the old Coronamatic ones. But these are brand new. From my wholesaler. And we're going to put this one in. And let's go back down here close. So this is new fabric. No, nylon. And this is what it does. It's inconsistent and light. These are brand new, but look how inconsistent it is. Sometimes it prints a dark letter for three notches, 3 characters, but generally it doesn't even come close to printing even what the old nylon did up here. So there's the new one right there. There's the film, and there's the old nylon, which is working pretty good. So, I just wondering what's happening with these. And if there's, so that's new nylon. Can't even print a capital letter. Oh, that's the old one. Yeah. Okay. Good day.